Printer not working? Start here for the HP DeskJet 4100 series. Why do many home printers stop mid-job? Because quick resets and setup checks usually fix it. Stay with me. First, power cycle the printer. Turn it off and unplug it. Wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and power on. Reseat any loose USB or Ethernet cables. Check the tray. Align paper. Don't overfill. Gently remove any paper jams. Open the HP Smart app to reconnect Wi-Fi. Follow the prompts until you see connected. On Windows, set the DeskJet 4100 as your default. On Mac, choose DeskJet 4100 as the default printer. Remove and gently clean the cartridges. Verify ink levels in the app or printer menu. Reseat cartridges firmly until they click. If prints still fail, restart the Windows Print Spooler. Need more help? Contact Printer and Scanner at 1-888-510-8176.